I'm so bored.
I need to do my makeup. I love this coloring. Ooh, I know. Hey! Hi. So, can I have this? Please. Pretty please. No, it's mine. Aww. Naomi's hair could be prettier. I'll help her. I'll spray the hairbrush with hair coloring. This color will really suit her. I'll need to coat the brush. That should do it. She won't suspect a thing. This is gonna be good. Okay, what's next? Oh, my hair. A quick brush and I'll be ready. Huh? My beautiful hair! It's purple! That looks great! I'll do the other side too! I love it! Thanks, Claire! Oh. Yeah, no problem. I have something for you. Oh, woohoo! I love painting. It's so peaceful and wonderful. Next, I'll use this light pink color. It's very pretty. Oh, looks like I'm getting a message. Let's see. Oh! A rainbow party? Get out of town! That's awesome! Okay, I gotta find something appropriate to wear. Oops. Paintbrush. Alright, wardrobe. What do you got for me? Ugh, this is not good. There's absolutely no color at all. Well, what the heck am I gonna do? I need to be rainbowy. Oh wait! My paints! They're super colorful. I bet I can totally do something with them. I'm a genius! Alright, time to get me rainbow-fied. Gonna need some paints and gonna need some paintbrushes. I can do both colors at once. Now to add these colors to my eyes. Time to switch up the colors and go underneath now. This is looking great. But it's a rainbow party. I need more colors. I'll need this bigger brush for this part, though. Okay, these colors are on this brush. Which is ready to paint. Here we go. Onto my lips it goes. Okay, next step is this green mascara. So fun! Gotta really make sure the color gets onto my lashes. Ooh, I know. I need some brow color. This orange! I can keep them both shaped, too. It's really coming along. There we go. Just a bit more. Done. And now for just a little bit more. Oh my gosh. These little blue freckles are adorable! I wish I always had these cute little blue freckles. Okay, and I'm finally done with my rainbow makeup. Huh? What's that? Look at all those lights! Whoa! It's the rainbow party! And it's tight! Whoa! Your makeup is amazing! Did you do it yourself? It's so fun! Great choice for a rainbow party! Friend makeovers are so fun! Okay, done! Take a look! Wow! You're so good at this! Yay! I'm so glad you like it! Want me to do your hair for you? I couldn't believe when he sat next to me in class! You must have been so excited! Sure, but also so nervous and scared. Oh no, oh no, no! What did I do? Oh, it's so much! She'll never forgive me! Ah! Is that my hair? It's burned right off! Don't faint! Drink some Coke. That'll help. I'm so sorry. I'm the worst friend ever. Hey! I think I know a better way for curls. I'll need this empty soda bottle. And next, my trusty knife. I'll be making delicate cuts, so I need to be careful. Up here too. Almost done. And there goes the top. Okay, now it's ready to be used. How is that gonna curl anything? Trust me. I'll just put your hair inside. And now I'll use the blow dryer. Is this really gonna work? It's totally working! You're not gonna believe this. Look! Wow! Look at my hair! So curly! It's incredible! I love it! Whew. Good thing that will never happen again. Thank you so much! Oh wow! Look at these hairstyles! I love them! I could use a new look. But what? Let's try something out. I'll need these scissors. Here goes. Be brave. It's just hair. No! I wouldn't do that if I was you.
Trust me, I learned the hard way. Hand over the scissors.
That was a close one.
Oh, I'm never gonna have a new hairstyle.
Or will I? I think I have an idea. I'll use this hairband to tie up my hair. And then I'll pull it forward. Now I'll pleat the rest of my hair. This is gonna look so good. Almost finished. That's the back done. Now I'll separate the hair at the top. And I'll insert the pleat. I'll pull it all the way through. Now for the bangs. I'll use my hair straighteners to fix them. A little heat will sort them right out. And I'll just spread them out. There! It looks great! I should be in a magazine.
What have you done with your hair?
I don't understand it.
I still have the scissors.
I'm just a good stylist. Everything on the menu looks so good. It's so hard to choose.
Hello. Waiter, 2 of your specials. Chop chop. Bon appetit.
Ahem.
Hello.
Oh, wow! These look great!
Ah!
Ah! Was it something I said? What a strange reaction. Oh no! There's 2 caterpillars on my face! Wait, that's my eyebrows. How not to make a first impression. These tweezers should help. These hairs are quite stubborn. This might take a while. What a disaster. Although, maybe I could use the nail file. It's worth a try. Rub the tweezers against the nail file. This will sharpen the blades on the tweezers, making those pesky hairs a thing of the past. That's doing the job. You'll have perfect brows in no time. What a difference! We might need a vacuum over here. Is that the time? Better be going! And bend. And hold. Feel the stretch. To the side.
Oh, I need a new workout partner. Phew!
Really working up a sweat, huh?
You can say that again. I feel woozy.
Alex? Are you okay?
Who said that? Where am I?
Was that my fault? Oh, I need some new deodorant. I know. Start with this exfoliating sponge and some water. Now, some soap. Rub the sponge onto the soap. Get scrubbing, girl! Next, take some clay and add lemon juice. Give it a mix. Once the clay is smooth, it's time to get to work. Spread onto the underarms with a brush. Let it dry. It's an interesting look. Then use the sponge to clean it off. Smelling fresh. Ready to get back to it?
Stay back! You hear me? I'm armed with air freshener!
I'm fine, see?
I'll be the judge of that. Okay, I believe you. Let's do this.